Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Tom Support. In this video I'm going to take you through how to use the page templates we've added to Peter for WordPress. Now what I mean is, because this is a very simple theme, there's no page builder, so it's light and quick, but to give you some flexibility we provide a few special templates which we use for the home page for Works, the About page and the Contact. This is all very straightforward, but we'll demonstrate how to use these templates and how they all work now. So to begin with, let's go ahead and create a fresh page. I'm just going to call this demo page video. Obviously you title this however you want, and just for the sake of the video I'm going to pop in some random blurb here. Now before we go any further and go into the templates, which for reference is this area here, let's go ahead and publish the page and take a look. Okay, so by default you can see it's just a standard page, nothing particularly exciting but looks very stylish, does exactly what you want. Now what we're going to discuss here is actually this special pages, templates I should say, that we've created, which give you a bit more flexibility when creating things like the About page, etc. So to begin with, let's choose the About template here and hit update, and you'll notice once you've updated, a new box appears at the bottom here which gives you some extra areas to place some details. So the first thing I should point out is, if we look at the page, the main content you've added here is no longer shown in this template. Instead we use these boxes down here. Before we go any further, I'm just going to assign a featured image. I'll use that one there. And I'll give the page a subtitle, which is what appears just above the main title. So to give it a bit more of an apt title, we'll say All About Me. And for the subtitle I'll put I'm Cool. Next up we're going to start adding details. Now these are the special sections which stack up on one another in the About section, which if that's a bit difficult to follow I'll show you exactly what I mean now. I'll call this section 1. Put in some random blurb again. And we'll go ahead and add another. I'll call it section 2. And we'll pop in another bit of blurb there. Finally, I'll put in one more and I'll call it final section. And I'll put in this little image here. Okay, and before we go any further, let me update the page and refresh it. And you'll see there we've got the title, All About Me, we've got the subtitle, the featured image we've added is shown at the top of the page there, and the sections that we've added appear all neatly stacked up and kind of zigzagged, so you get light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, and there you go. Now what we can do is take this one step further. You'll notice in the demo there's a bit of blurb just below. We can actually pop in whatever we like in the box down here. So if we scroll down you'll see we've got a About call to action content area here. So you can put in any message, or even if you wanted to, you can drop in say a contact form shortcode, or pretty much any shortcode you want. Here. Let's have a date. And there you go, you can see it's all working. Okay, if we head back into the admin and we'll take a look at the next template here. So over here in the template drop down we'll select Contact and let's hit update. And here you go, you can see we've got an area that's changed here. So we've got the contact page subtitle, the address and the shortcode for your form. So again, before we go any further, let me just take a look at the page. And you can see the featured image is still shown, but the main content that you've added here is hidden in this instance. So again, we'll change the title to be something a bit more suitable. we'll give the page its own subtitle. I'll just put in any old random address. And for the form shortcode, we'll grab one of the shortcodes from the forms. Obviously there's one which is provided by Contact Form 7, and we've also included one in the demo content, so we'll grab that and pop that in there. So if we hit update and take a look at the page, you can see that translates into this nice little page here. So we've got obviously the address and the form appearing as you want. Obviously you can put in a bit more blurb there if you wish, that's entirely up to you, but it's a very simple template which obviously looks very good as well. Okay, moving on. Finally we have the portfolio template, so let's hit update. Now this one, although there is a portfolio archive area which WordPress handles for you, we've created a special template so that you can assign it as your home page like we do in the demo, because WordPress archives can't be assigned as home pages. Now again, it's a very simple template, so if we take a quick look, you can see a list of projects appear as you'd expect. And as per usual, we've got the area where we can specify a subtitle for this particular area. We can choose how many posts we want to display, and if you want to create specific pages for certain categories of your projects, you can specify the category as well. And there we go. Now, if you do have any more questions about the templates, then do come see me over at support. I'll be more than happy to help. Other than that, thanks for watching.